How to get 50% off on Temu. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can get 50% off on your purchases on Temu. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Open up the Temu application and then make sure that you've logged in with your proper account and then make sure that you've selected the address properly. In order to do so, go to the use section, then go to addresses and make sure that you've edited your address. And after you've made sure, simply go to the home page once again and onto the search bar you need to type DKF4425. This is the code that will help you get your discount. Once you type it, it will give you all the new gifts that you can unlock. As you can see, there are items that are worth $56 that are now available for $8. You can simply tap on the ones that you want to purchase, and then once you're done, you can select the color as well as the size and then go to add to cart option. Once it has been added to your cart, simply go to the cart option. Make sure that your purchase is worth more than $10 since that is the minimum. And as you can see on the top here, the estimated total is only $6 for a product that was worth more. And there you go. That is how you can get 50% off on Temu. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.